This is another video on linear equation which is a part of algebra, and in this video we will do some multiple choice questions based on linear equations. Okay, so in question number 1 I am using purple pen. In question number 1 they are saying x is equals to -1 is the solution of the following equation. So we have to take only one, but we will do one by one every equation by putting x is equals to -1, and we will see whether LHS equals to RHS. If LHS is equals to RHS, then we will say that this particular option is the answer of given question. Okay, so now first equation is x minus 5 is equals to 6. So put x is equals to -1 in this. So -1 minus 5 is equals to -6. But on right hand side we have 6. So it is not equal. So this will not be our option. Now take second one, 2x plus 5 is equals to 7. Put -1. So this will become -2 plus 5 is equals to 3, and 3 is not equals to 7. So this will not be our option. Okay. Next, 2 multiplied by x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So when we put -1 in this, so this will become -3, and 2 into -3 is -6. So -6 plus 6 will become 0. And since it is 0, and on right hand side it is already given that this is 0, so this will be our option, and this is our final answer. I am doing fourth options also, so that you can easily see that it is not our option. Okay, so 3x plus 5 is equals to 4. This is our linear equation, and when we put in -1 in this, so this will become -3 plus 5, which is equals to 2, and 2 is, since 2 is not equals to 4, so only option C is right. Clear? Now we are doing second question. If 3 bracket open 3n minus 10 is equals to 2n plus 5, then value of n. So how we will do this question? So first we will use distributive law. Okay, so that our equation will be framed, and then aside variable and constant, then put coefficient of variable should be 1. Okay, or try to do in such a way so that coefficient of variable should be 1. Okay, so here I am applying distributive law. So 3 will be multiplied by 3n minus 10, so this will become 9n minus 30, and right hand side will be as it is 2n minus 5. Now aside variable and constant, so 9n minus 2n is equals to 5 plus 30, or it will become 7n is equals to 35. Now we want to eliminate 7 also, because anyhow coefficient of variable should be plus 1. So we are dividing it by 7 or by transposing. So here I am transposing. So 7 will go on that side. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. So see which option is right. So option B is right. Now third question. The solution of the equation 3x minus 2 is equals to 7 is. So here we have to find out only solution. Okay. So the same method we will do. First aside variables and constant, then find make coefficient of variable should be 1, and find value of x. So since 3x minus 2 is equals to 7, so for eliminating -2 we will add +2, and this +2 will add on both the sides. So here on the left hand side it will cut, and we get only 3x, but right hand side it will add it with 7 and we get 9. Now we have to eliminate 3 on the left hand side, so multiplied by 1 by 3. The same thing we will do on the right hand side also. So by applying rules of maths we will get x is equals to 3, and see where is x is equals to 3 in option. So this is option B, so option B is right. Next question, which of the following is not a simple equation in one variable? Okay, in one variable. So see, equation number 1, they are giving 3x minus 1 is equals to 7. So here we are seeing only x. Next, 5y minus 2 is equals to 3y plus 2. Just by seeing we can say that it is a single variable equation, or you can do simplify also. But I think so that there is no need to do simplification, because easily we can see there is only one variable y. Okay. Next, c is 2x minus 3 is equals to 7 by 2. So only x variable. But in D option there is a 7x plus y is equals to 3, which is having two variables. Two variables, what are those? X and y. So option D is right. Okay. Next question, the solution of simple equation 3x minus 4 is equals to 30. So again in this you have to find out value of x. So first we will multiply, we will use distributive law. So 3 multiplied by x minus 12 is equals to 30. Now on transposing, so 12 will go on the right hand side with positive. So 30 plus 12 is equals to 42. And here it is a multiplication between 3 and x. So on the other side when it will go, so 42 will be divided by 3. So we get x is equals to 14. So which option is right? So option A is right. Okay. So through this way you can do different MCQ which are based on linear equation. Okay. So which thing you have to remember while doing this? So remember, while doing MCQ, just take values from options. Okay. Just take values from options, as we did here. X is equals to minus 1 in first question. Okay. From options, and directly put those values in linear equation. If linear equation satisfied by those values, so you can easily say that this is a option. Otherwise do further, or else take further options. Second important point is be careful with respect to sign while transposing. Okay, here I am writing while means when your values will go from left to right, or vice versa also. Okay, so this is all about of this video. Hope this video will help you. Thank you. Bye bye.